Let me tell you this story really quick. A few months ago, my roommate came across a content creator who runs 1,000 meters every morning. Then I saw him set his alarm for 6 a.m., super motivated. On day 1, he actually ran 1,000 meters. But by day 2, he was a little tired and stayed in bed until 6:30. By day 3, he hit snooze and told me, "Today's a rest day." Now, 3 months later, he completely forgot about the morning run until I reminded him. Okay, in his defense, he claims he still runs in his dreams sometimes. But honestly, building habits is like a dream we all have, but rarely achieve. In today's video, we'll cover common mistakes in building habits and share tips to help you build lasting habits. Why do some people struggle to make habits stick? Reason number 1, lack of patience. What I realized is that when it comes to building habits, many people are just too impatient. For example, think about how many times you've tried to start a new workout routine. On the first day, you're excited, full of energy, and you give it your best shot. But after a couple of days or even a week, when you don't see your body change or your weight decrease, your enthusiasm starts to fade. You might even think, "What's the point?" and give up altogether. Why does it happen? We live in a very fast-paced world at the moment, where we expect quick results. But expecting instant results can cause frustration, which leads to quitting. Mistake number 2, not allowing yourself to fail. Many people are afraid of failure and think that missing a day or not hitting their goal means they've completely failed. Let's say you've committed to eating healthy every day, but one day you find yourself grabbing fast food for lunch. Instead of getting back on track, most people will think, "I've failed. This is the end of the world." This feeling of failure can stop you in your tracks and make it even harder to restart the next day. Why does it happen? We tend to have high expectations for ourselves and believe that we need to be perfect. But the reality is, failure is part of the process. They don't define your ability to succeed in the long run. Mistake number 3, forgetting that building habits should be fun. What I have seen is that for most people, building a habit feels like a battle, making the process seem exhausting and stressful. For example, you've set a goal to drink 4 glasses of water every day. On day 1, you manage to drink all 4 glasses, but on day 2, you only drink 3. Instead of celebrating the fact that you're still drinking more water than before, you focus solely on the fact that you haven't reached your ultimate goal, and you get stressed. Why does it happen? We often make the process of building habits feel like a chore or a mission. But building habits should actually be enjoyable and rewarding. Now, let's get to our main dish: how to make your habits stick. Tip number 1, start small. What I believe is that not only the first tip, but also the first step is to start small. For instance, if your goal is to read more, begin with just 10 pages a day. Reading 10 pages is easy, and before you know it, you might read more than you expected. Small steps help you stay motivated and avoid feeling overwhelmed. And over time, those small actions add up to big results. Tip number 2, tie to existing routines. One of the easiest ways to build a new habit is to tie it to an existing routine. For example, if you want to establish a skincare routine, do it right after brushing your teeth. This connection creates a natural cue that triggers your new habit without much extra effort. You're more likely to remember and stick with it, making the process smoother and more automatic. Tip number 3, be patient. This ties directly to what we discussed earlier about lack of patience. For example, if you're trying to meditate every morning, it might feel difficult at first. You won't feel like a master after just a few days. What you need to do is not get discouraged and stick with it. and over time, you'll see the benefits. Tip number 4, reward yourself. As I have mentioned earlier, rewarding yourself is a great way to create a cycle of motivation that drives you to keep going. For example, after completing your workout, you could allow yourself to watch your favorite TV show or have a small treat. This positive reinforcement helps your brain associate the habit with something enjoyable, which makes it more likely you'll stick to it. Tip number 5, remember the why. Lastly, it's important to remind yourself why you started in the first place. For example, if you're trying to eat healthier, think about how it makes you feel better, boosts your energy, and improves your long-term health. Your why is the fuel that keeps you moving forward, even when it feels difficult. Bonus tip, the 3 R's. In case you can't remember everything I've just mentioned, don't worry. Here's a bonus tip to make it all easier. Let me introduce the 3 R's. Reminder, tie your new habit to an existing routine. Routine. Establish a clear schedule for when you'll practice your habit. Reward. Attach a small, meaningful reward that reinforces your new habit. By following the 3 R's, you create a solid structure for your habit to grow and stick over time. Finally, remember that building habits is a journey. You have to be patient, stay consistent, and keep focused on your goals. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Good luck with building your habits, and I'll see you in the next video.